everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back in my kitchen because I would like to show everyone how to make this really healthy and simple cantaloupe drink. And when I get these cantaloupes, I make sure that they're really ripe, because when they're really ripe, it's so much easier to cut them up, and then they become a lot juicier when they're really ready to eat. So I already went ahead and I washed the cantaloupe, and then I already peeled the rind out of my cantaloupe, so that way it will be a lot easier to start cutting them up. The ingredients that I will be using today would consist of cantaloupe, half a cup of water, and then I will also be using a blender today to make the homemade cantaloupe juice. So the first thing that I am going to do before I proceed by putting all the cantaloupe into my blender, I will go ahead and I will start cutting up the cantaloupe into small pieces, and then I will put them into my blender. And the reason why I cut them up in small pieces is because that way it will be a lot easier to mix it all up in there, and it won't be so jammed in there in the blender. So I just take small pieces at a time. And for this drink, I will not be using any sugars, because for one thing, my cantaloupe is already sweet as it is. So it would be just a really natural juice, and it's really good and it's so delicious. Okay, then I will start putting my water into my blender, and then I will start adding the small pieces of cantaloupe in the blender. And depending on the size of your blender, some are smaller than others. Try to fit as much of the cantaloupe in there, and if you can, you can do just a small portion at a time, and then you can add the rest afterwards. And what I like about making these juices is that, a lot of times you have a lot of fruit at your house and you don't know what to do with it. The best way to do is to make your own homemade juices, like I am showing you right now. Okay, I'll add a little bit more of the cantaloupe in here, and then I will start mixing it all up. Now I'm ready to mix the cantaloupe in my blender to make the juice. Okay, I'm gonna mix it a little bit more because I still see that it's not really mixed well. So I'll go ahead and mix it some more. Okay, and the one thing that I am not going to do today with this juice is I am not going to pour the juice into a strainer. I am just going to pour it into one of these glasses. And I like to eat the natural stuff from the fruit. But you can use a strainer if you like, if you want just the clear juice of the cantaloupe, but I will just pour it into my glass. And there's the cantaloupe juice. Came out really good, looks good, and it's ready to drink. And for some reason, if you like to have these drinks, especially on a hot day, if you want to put in the refrigerator to let it chill for a couple of hours, it'll even taste a lot better when they're cold. You can add ice to it. That's all up to you. And basically, I hope you enjoy this drink. I really like it. So thanks for joining me today. And if you have some ideas that you would like me to make on my next video, I would love to hear your comments. And don't forget to subscribe below. And I'll see you next time for more videos like this one. Take care. Bye.